Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I am Pat, and in this video I have 12 classroom hacks, some work smarter, not harder kind of hacks. My former principal used to say it all the time, work smarter, not harder. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. So let's get started. I'll wait a second while you get that done. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. All right, so classroom hack number 1, and I have some notes, so I'll be looking down, okay? Classroom hack number 1 is to use student numbers. So using student numbers will help you when it comes to putting your grades in your grade book. It will already be alphabetized unless you get in a late student that was not there when you issued numbers out originally. It also helps in putting things in alphabetical order, lining your kids up in alphabetical order as well. You can also see who is missing something. Say for instance you send home some Wednesday folders or homework folders. If you want to see whose folder is missing, then just put them in numerical order and you can tell who is missing their folder fairly quickly. That was number 1. Classroom hack number 2 is to make extra packets of informational papers at the beginning of the year. So when you get a new student, you will already have their information in a packet and ready to hand to them whenever they come throughout the school year. That informational packet could include things like your beginning of the year newsletter, a newsletter your principal sent home, information, personal information cards, things of that nature. If you want to find out about allergies, if you have a form for that kind of stuff. So just go ahead and make up your little package. You can put them in Ziploc bags, so you can put them in folders. So when you get a new student, you already have those important papers available and ready to hand to your new student. Okay? Hack number 3. Sorry about that. I'm sure you hear that paper. Hack number 3 is to not put off grading papers. That is one of my pet peeves, grading papers. So please do not put it off. Go ahead and get it done. When you get a stack, let's say on Friday that you're doing your assessments, let's say you're doing a spelling test. Go ahead and grade that spelling test. Have students exchange those papers and you tell them how to spell those words correctly. You put the grade on it. If they don't grade it correctly, you hold them accountable for not listening and following directions. But go ahead and grade your papers immediately. Even if you're doing math, let's say that you had a math assessment and you need to grade those papers. If you're not using that same test for a retest grade, go ahead and grade those as well. It serves as a reminder or a refresher for students or as a review. Okay, so hack number 3 is to go ahead and grade your papers immediately. Put off nothing. Okay, hack number 4 is to use painter's tape when gluing things to your wall. If you're in a new building or even an old building, I use it and I'm in an old building, and you want to glue something to the wall, put your painter's tape on the wall and glue it, whatever you're putting up, to your painter's tape. This makes it easy to come down whenever you have to remove it. If you're in a new building, you know, a lot of times they'll tell you not to put holes in the wall. So if you can't put holes in the wall, put painter's tape on the wall and hot glue whatever you want to put up to the painter's tape, and it's easy to remove. That was hack number 4. Hack number 5 is to keep a workable, categorized to-do list. Anything that needs to be done should be placed on your to-do list. Categorize your to-do list. For example, copies, reminders, notes, shopping lists even. So whatever it is you need to do, you need to put it on a to-do list. Make it a habit to check it and get 2 or 3 things done on that list daily, really. Okay, especially at the beginning of the year when you have so many things to do. Okay, that was hack number 5. Leave me a comment below of some of your favorite hacks. I would love to know some of your favorite hacks. Okay, 1 or 2 of them. Just leave me a comment below of 1 or 2 of your favorite hacks. Okay, good. All right, hack number 6 is to file students' work immediately after grading it. At least weekly, you should be doing this. Don't let the papers pile up. Go ahead and grade them and put them in the file, whether it's in a file cabinet, if you have a crate, whatever you're using, go ahead and file those papers away. Good job. Hack number 7, use a file folder with prongs to hang students' special works in your classroom. Display that. When open house comes around, then you'll have a display already up of some things that students have already done that's special to them. At the end of the year, you can send it home as kind of a memory of that particular grade year. Okay? That was hack number 7. Hack number 8 is to have an HP printer with instant ink. It is a game changer. You can make 300 copies for like $10.99 a month, and you never have to buy ink. Your printer will notify HP when your ink is getting low in your cartridges, and they will automatically send you one. So you never have to buy ink if you have HP Instant Ink. And I say you can get up to 300 copies per month. If you don't need that many, they have other programs for you. But if you need, and even if you don't make that many copies a month, they will roll over up to 300 if you have that 300 copy per month program. Okay, that was hack number 8. Hack number 9 is to start pulling materials for the next week this week. So on Tuesday or Wednesday of this week, you need to be pulling your materials for next week. Okay, so by Friday, you can double check to make sure that you have everything that you need for all of your lessons, and you don't have to stay late on Fridays to get it done. It's already done. Check. Okay, that was hack number 9. Hack number 10 is if you are making an anchor chart and you would like a particular character on it, use your smartboard and document camera to put that character on your chart. Even if it's just a pretty outline or a border, use your smartboard to make those lines, to draw those lines on your anchor chart. And it can look Pinterest ready. All right, hack number 11 is if you cut out a lot of circles, then get you a circle cutter. Especially at the beginning of the year, everybody is cutting out circles. We cut out circles seem like more than anything else to me. Then when you make that investment into your circle cutter, it's much easier to cut out your circles. I'm sure Michael's, Hobby Lobby has them. You can use your discount coupons to get them. Amazon has it, I'm sure. Okay, so if you cut out lots of things that are circular, get you a circle cutter. And lastly is hack number 12 is to try and beat the clock in order to get things done in a timely manner. If you're on your planning and you need to do A, B, C, and D, go ahead and set your clock for about 8 minutes and get all 4 of those things done. And that way you're not wasting time. You have what you need to do in mind. You have your eyes on the prize. So set the timer and try and beat the timer and get those things done so that you're not wasting time. You don't want to spend your entire planning period just running around getting things done. You want to be able to sit down and drink your little water or make your cup of coffee or tea and just kind of enjoy yourself and relax for a few minutes. Okay? As always, please comment, like, share, subscribe. Click your notification bell so that you're notified of any uploads. And until next time, thank you for watching. Infinity Hugs and Kisses.